Verb can be divided into two kinds from the role it plays in a sentence, like principal verb or a main verb, and helping verb or auxiliary verb. Let's take some examples. I write a letter. Here, the word I is a subject, write is a principal verb, and a letter is an object. Let's have another look on the another sentence. Try to understand with another example. I have written a letter. Here, I is a subject, have is a helping verb, written is a principal verb, and a letter is an object. One point which is important to remember or you have to keep in mind that some verbs can play the role of a principal verb as well as helping verb. For example, I have a book. Here, I is a subject, have is a principal verb, and a book is an object. Let's have another look on another example. I have done my homework. Here, I is a subject, have is a helping verb, done is a principal verb, and my homework is object. There are six auxiliary verbs. The first one is be, and is, am, are, was, were, been are the part of be. The next one is have. Has and have are the part of have. Do. Does and did are the part of do. Shall can be should, will, would, may, might. If we talk about principal verbs, they are of two types, that is transitive verb and intransitive verb. A transitive verb needs an object to complete its sense or meaning. It denotes an action which passes over from the doer or subject to an object. For example, the old man killed a snake. He sings a song. There are four things to be noted. Firstly, a transitive verb must have an object. Secondly, sometimes a transitive verb has two objects, that is, direct object and an indirect object. For example, the class elected him the secretary. Here, the class is a subject, elected is a transitive verb, him is the object 1, and the secretary is object 2. The class chose him the monitor. In this sentence, the class is a subject, chose is a transitive verb, him is object 1, and the monitor is object 2. An intransitive verb does not need an object to complete its sense. For example, he goes to school. Sita is whipping. The kite is flying in the sky. The direct object is the answer to question what. The direct object is the answer to the question to whom. So, the name of the thing is the direct object. The name of the person or animal is the direct object. Thirdly, the verbs like ask, tell, promise, grant, show, offer, write, give, and many more often take two objects. Some verbs can be used as transitive verb and intransitive verb. For example, we are playing football. Here, we is a subject, are playing verb, football, object. The boys are playing on the ground. Here, the boys are subject, are playing intransitive verb, on the ground is a phrase. Ravi is flying a kite. Here, the word Ravi is subject, is flying is a transitive verb, a kite is an object. A bird is flying in the sky. Here in this sentence, a bird is subject, is flying is intransitive verb, and in the sky is a phrase. Let's try to understand with some other examples. He ran a race. Here, he is a subject, ran is a transitive verb, a race is an object. He runs very fast. Here, he is a subject, runs is intransitive verb, very fast is a phrase. I saw a snake. In this sentence, I is a subject, saw is a transitive verb, a snake is an object. He cannot see under the table. In this sentence, he is a subject, cannot see is the intransitive verb, under the table is a phrase. Fourthly, an intransitive verb can be used in transitive verb form when combined with the preposition or a phrase. For example, he acted upon my advice. The boys are laughing at the beggar. He objected to my proposal. That's all for today. I hope now you can easily differentiate intransitive and transitive verb. Thanks and best of luck.